I hate taking these videos so much. Like, do you guys see? This is the eyeshadow. This is my posy of like just sitting here staring. It's really very awkward, like extremely awkward. Look at my glazed donut face. We've already discussed this, that I am in fact a glazed donut and not a human being. So when you see such things, hi honey, welcome back to my channel. And today we have just a makeup look. Like, I don't know, I feel like this kind of content is uninspiring. Like, just let me know in the comments below, like, if you're down for this kind of content where it's just like makeup looks, makeup tutorials, that kind of stuff, where I'm not actually teaching you anything, I'm just putting on my makeup. Comment down at 10. If you're not here for this at all, you're like, girl, there's so much more you could be doing in your life, stop wasting my life, stop wasting your time and my time and everyone's time, then comment a 1. It's because personally, I'm a 5. Me myself personally, the makeup, these videos, I'm at a 5 because I'm not even teaching you anything. But then I love watching these types of videos, someone just applying their makeup and like shutting up and not chatting away like I'm doing right now. So let's just start this video. I really hate the whole lipstick situation, but the real like situation is my eyes. I'm so much prettier when I do this. Like, see, when I'm just looking at you normally, when I do this, it's like, oh my god. Like, this is like, oh yeah, she's pretty, whatever, like, what else. But then I do this, it's like, ooh, ooh. Alright, I've been here way too long, it's too hot, and I've had too much coffee. This is how much coffee I've had. I'm dying right now. I'm like, you know when you have way too much coffee, you're just like, oh my god, somebody shoot me. I don't know what's happening to me, why I'm talking so crazy. Somebody help me. I need to go gather yourself for an outro. Zen. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for hitting the subscribe button, for hitting the notification button, for leaving me a comment, whatever, for being here. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next video. And please do let me know about the 1 to 10 thing with the makeup tutorials things. Should I just leave this for Instagram or what? And if so, what should I do? Like, tell me in the comments. I want to make the videos that you want to watch and I also want to make, you know, or at least one of those two. Like, if I want to make it and you guys want to watch it, that's good. But if you guys want to watch it and I don't really want to make it, that's still okay. And if I really want to make it and nobody wants to watch it, that's like motto of my life. But if I don't feel like making it and you also don't feel like watching it, what are we doing, you know? Like, what are we really doing? I'm going away because this is too much now. I've talked so much, and what have I said? Nothing. Let's just have a moment for my cheeks and bye.